Hey guys, welcome to the 21st C# tutorial that I'm creating for the new Boston. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use access modifiers, which is like public and private, stuff like that. And I'm going to show you how to create methods inside of your class. So all you're going to need for this tutorial is the class that we created in like 2 tutorials ago, and we edited the last tutorial. And you're also just going to need this button one click event, and you're just going to need it to create a new instance of your class. So basically what an access modifier does is it allows you to limit the access that a user has to a method or a class. So for example, we're just going to look at public first, and we're just going to create a public method right here, and we'll just have it return the name that we pass in as an argument for this class. So we'll just have it return this name variable right here. Oh, name. Alright. So what public does is it allows you to access this method anywhere you would like. You can access it inside of this class right here, and you can access it outside of this class. So we can do mc.name now, since it is public. But if we were to make this private, we can no longer access it. It will give us an error. Maybe I can show it. Yeah. It says it is inaccessible due to its protection level, which means, yeah, you have to make it public in order to access it right now. And I'm only going to show you those 2 access modifiers right now. There are other access modifiers, but we're not going to get into those because we haven't learned what they do yet, really. So, oh, and also, you don't have to put private here. Inside of a class, the default access modifier is private, so we cannot access this this string name right now unless we put public in front of it. And yeah, we still have that error. It's inaccessible due to its protection level because it's defaultly private. Something else that you can do is you can create a static method, and what that will do is it will allow you to access it without creating an instance of this class. So we could just do my class dot and then whatever static method you have inside of there. So if we were to create, oh, and you have to make it public as well. So if we were to make this like a public void, or no, a public static void that I don't know, we'll just have it show a message box, I guess. So we'll just do like show message. We'll have it pass a string parameter in there so we can choose what the message is. And yeah, alright, so we'll just have it show a message. So system.windows.forms.messagebox.show, and we'll just have it show a message. Alright, so basically this public static void, now we can access it just by going, we can just actually just delete this right here. We don't even need to create this. We can just do my class dot, and then it says show message right there. But if we were to delete static, oops, delete static there, and then we were to do dot, yeah, it doesn't show up in IntelliSense, so we can't use it. But we'll just put static there, and now we'll be able to access it. So we'll do my class dot show message, and then we'll just have it show, oops, just have it show my name. So now when we debug and click button 1, we should get a message box that says that. Yep. Alright, so now you know how to create methods and like what to use, oh, and this isn't an access modifier, this is just called a modifier. But this public and like private, those are access modifiers. So now you know how to create methods inside of your class. You know what type of modifiers or access modifiers you want to use on them. So like, yeah, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So see you guys.